Welcome to the video. Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to be talking about a postcard marketing system that we have with Supreme Profit System that is second to none. And I'm telling you, we're going to walk around this video. Give me just a few minutes. I want to talk to you about how to order the Supreme Profit System postcard and work at home postcards. How to order the majority of your postcards, but in this video, we're going to be focused on the Supreme Profit System and how many of you that are joining are asking me where are we getting the postcards from and how to order them. Hope you enjoy this video. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. We're excited to have you here. All right, folks. And of course, we're going to talk about some examples of what we are making with this program, what you can make. Of course, there's an income disclaimer in life. Nothing happens till you take action. But this postcard is providing $500, $1,000, $35, $5,000, $11,000 cash payments. I've never seen a system that I'm so excited about. And the path forward over the next few years with this program and beyond is just absolutely endless. The easiest money I've ever made. And I'm telling you, people are joining the system. They're getting excited. And I'm going to show you how to order this postcard. Well, this is my website here, www.welptodaysystem2.com. Here's the 24/7 number. When you get your postcard, you're going to have, this is the front side and the your information. It'll be your domain name, whatever you decide to get, that's going to your capture page will be here. And your 24/7 information number will be down here. Folks, this is incredible. So we're excited about that. Here's the other side. You can put your email address on there if you so desire. It's totally up to you. It's not required, but I like a return address. Very simple. It's going to be follow these 3 simple steps to get started. People are going to watch the video. They're going to go to the video over there, and then they're going to listen to the 24/7 sizzle call. And then step 3, they're going to request a call back. Folks, when 9 times out of 10, when they request a call back, they're ready to take action and join you into the Supreme Profit System. Well, Timothy, does it work? How well does it work? Over here on my channel, folks, I've got many videos, and I've got a playlist. Up under the playlist, I've got all the businesses that I am currently working with. And they are working phenomenally. There's one that we're going to take off, VIP Savings Club. We're no longer working with that one. But the majority, we're still working with 97% of these businesses. Here we have the Supreme Profit System, 39 videos of what I have been in this program for over time and what it has done for me. It has delivered anywhere from $500 to $11,000 payments over and over and over again. And I think we're just getting started as to where we're going. So in order to get this postcard, and if you want to check out, again, previous videos, come over to my channel, click on playlist, and you can check out all the videos right there. Powerful, powerful, powerful. In order to get this postcard right here, you're going to want to order them from Office Annex. Before we go over to Office Annex, when you join Supreme Profit, you're going to have access to about 7 different capture pages. All these capture pages are rocking and rolling. Look at this capture page here. Look at that one. I generated $72,000 in less than a month after almost 16 years of losing money in the industry. And it's just about every money-making program in existence. Folks, very powerful concept here. Here's another capture page you can choose. The secret to working from home anywhere without selling. Discover how average people developing instant cash flow. Folks, do you want, payments of $11,000 coming to you? $7,500, $3,500. It is doable with this system. It's automated. It does all the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. And it is just absolutely powerful. Here's one that I like. I resonate with this one a lot. I use this one a lot. Make $1,500, $3,500 per week without selling or talking to anybody. Hundreds, thousands of people have been paid to watch the 12-minute video. Very powerful, folks. So we're excited about the video. Now, when people opt in, it's going to take them to this page. It looks like this. This is the video page. This is the VHL, the video sales letter page. This video does all the Excel and explaining for you, so you never have to. And it's just amazing. I'm going to go over this in another video. But yeah, your 800 number, go there. We can even help close sales for you. It's a super simple system. People watch the video, they'll choose package, they'll make the call. It's just that simple. And they'll ask you, how do you want to receive your funds? Do you want cash? Do you want cashier's check, personal money order? However you want to do it. At the bottom here of the website, you can take a look at all the product packages that we have. They're the bronze level. We've got the silver product package level. We have the gold product package and all the value, platinum, and people are getting excited about the diamond. You can earn $11,000 per referral. Just incredible, folks. So we're excited about that. If you need a list provider, let me show you. We're recommending, me and Tice Johnson talks about this all the time. We talk about, mailing list companies. Which ones are some of the best? Well, mailing list, there's no secret formula, guys. There's no magic bullet. It's just consistency over time, staying the course, and being diversified in your mailing list. Here's the recommended mailing list today. You want to call Terry over there in California. Here's the number, and he will talk to you about the list. You can tell him I recommended you. I'll leave a link below the video. Prime choice list, and use the part number that I refer you to. And again, like I said, if you got some questions, you call the owner of the company. He'll talk to you, leave a message, and if you don't get him instantly, he'll call you back and get you hooked up. And again, tell him you saw one of my videos. Let's go over here. If you need solo ad traffic to run to these capture pages, guys, this is how we're making so much money, guys. Mailing postcards and running solo ad traffic. Here are the vendors, guys. I have ordered so much traffic from Stan, Thomas, Patrick, Andreas. These are the people that I have used over time to buy a lot of traffic. Look at this. I mean, they can turn traffic on like a water spigot. So, I've got many videos on Udemy Solo Ads. If you want to know Udemy, what I'm doing, Udemy Solo Ads, just put Udemy Solo Ads, Timothy Thomas, and all my videos for Udemy will come up. How to order the postcards. You come over here to www.theofficeannex.com. The man, the myth, the legend, Jose Green had ability to create, well, we'll put the postcard up on here. Look, we got split winning postcard up here. The Instant Pay 24/7. I'm in both of these, guys. Great programs. And you need, guys, you need instant cash flow. You need big ticket. With American Bill Money, we're building that residual. With work from home, you're going to need a big ticket. Like Supreme Profit is number one. And then I'm recommending Money Order Freedom. Money Order Freedom with American Bill Money. Money Order Freedom is creating $1,000 paydays. So you're going to come over to Office Annex, guys, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the Supreme Profit System postcards. It's towards the bottom. I got the Magic Money Formula. We're still mailing that postcard. Great program there. Magic Money Formula. Well, here is the Supreme Profit System. Number one postcard. And here's the Easy Money postcard system. That thing is still creating cash flow for us, guys. These two postcards, these two systems are life-changing. And these are very similar. Both are the same levels. This comes with a website. There's no website required to receive payments of $11,000. And let me show you. You come right here, guys, and then you select the quantity that you want, whatever quantity that you want, up to 10,000, and Billy can get them for you. I've just ordered a big mailing of 2,500. And you could choose, what I usually like to choose is the 14-point cardstock. And I usually choose, you could choose the 4x6 or the 5x7 or the 6x9. Totally up to you. I just ordered the 4x6. But like I said, it's totally up to you which ones you decide to order. Great things are happening, folks, with these postcards. Can you mail a postcard? Can you remain consistent? If you said yes, the sky is the limit. And all you do, you order your postcard, and then you're going to customize the design. You click on here, and that where you're going to put your domain name. It's going to put your website number and your 24-hour meshes line, and you're going to click OK. And it's just going to be that simple. Your website go here, that information you go here. You can it changes, so you can put whatever you need to put in here. Very, very powerful. This is what mine turned out to look like when you get done with it over at the office annex, www.wealthtodaysystem2.com. Here's the 24-hour information line. And again, this automatically goes to the backside. Powerful, folks. Powerful. You're watching this, folks. Take action. 25 is going to be absolutely immaculate for work at home, for the Supreme Profit System and Money Order Freedom. These programs are just on a tear to the upside, and we're inviting you to come on the inside with us and partner. Get your postcards ordered. Time is of the essence. Start changing your life today, folks. Put the struggle behind you. We've got a proven postcards. We've got a proven websites, proven systems. We have proven mailing lists. We're telling you where to get your solo ads from if you want to run traffic. This is just one recommended source. We're telling you where to buy the leads from. And when you join with me, folks, I'm going to give you a blueprint of everything that I'm doing to get wildly successful with this system, Supreme Profit. Guys, order your postcards today, order your leads today, and let's get you to going. That's my time for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Bye for now. Until the next video.